Morning grade 7. Now before we go to set 46, let us understand two important formulas. So first is, what is area of a triangle? You know that basic formula I am going to tell you. If this is a triangle and this is a height of a triangle, we call it as. If it is making 90 degree, this segment is perpendicular to the base and we call this in mathematical language height, and this is a base of a triangle, base, and this is height. It is an altitude to the triangle. So area of any triangle is given by the formula half into base into height. This is the general formula for area of triangle. Now especially when it comes to right angle triangle, this is already 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. So if I draw right angle triangle like this, and if I say this is my base, then this would be naturally my height. And height and base together they are forming 90 degree, that is right angle. So I can also call this as, of course I can say area of this triangle as half into base into height. But to be more specific in the right angle triangle, we can write area of right angle triangle is half into product of sides forming right angle. This and this is same. These are the sides which are forming right angle. So which are forming right angle itself are acting as base and height. So you can use this formula as also forming, or making, you may say, forming the right angle. Okay. So keep in mind this formula and then we can go ahead with set 46. And let us revise earlier formulas as well. Area of rectangle is length into breadth and area of square is side into side. And what is unit of area? Either meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square, or to generalize it, we can say unit square. So let's start with the first problem. You may take down this formula, students. Pause the video, take down the formula for area of triangle. Now see first problem. Set 46. A page of a calendar is 45 centimeters long and 26 centimeter wide. What is its area? Now calendar is generally of this shape. If you have seen at home, you might be having calendars, no? Okay, like Kalanirnay and etc, etc. You might be having it at home. Now calendar is, and look at the measurements, no? It is 45 centimeters long, 45 centimeters. And it's 26 centimeter wide, 26 centimeter. So the measurements also tell that it is a rectangle. Now we have to find what is its area. So simply area of rectangle we can say is equal to length into breadth. So this is nothing but length is 45 into 26. So let us quickly calculate 26 into 45. 5 6 are 30, 5 2 are 10 and 13, 24, 4 6 are 4 2 are 8 and 9 10. So what we have is 1170. So area of rectangle comes out to be 1170, and let us not forget to write the units. So it is centimeter square, or you can write 1170 square centimeter. Both are correct. Alright. Okay, please take down this problem. First you write the problem from textbook and then solve it. Let's go to the second problem now. So let's have a look at second problem now. Question 2 we are doing. So question 2 says, what is the area of a triangle with base 4.8 and height 3.6 centimeters? So what is given? Base is given of triangle as 4.8 centimeter. How much is height given? Height is given as 3.6 centimeter. And we have to find area of triangle. So what is area of triangle? Half into base into height, which is equal to half into 4.8 into height is 3.6. So we have half into 4.8 into 3.6. So this can be cut easily. 2 ones are, this is 2 twos are 4 and 0.24s are 8. So we got 3.6 into 2.4. Okay, carry out this multiplication. 4 6 are 24 we have, 4 3 are 12, 13, 14 into 2 6 are 12, carry over 1, 3 2 are 6 and we have 7. So we have 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after two numbers, one number over here and one number over here. So after two numbers we are going to give the point. Alright, so your area of triangle comes out to be 8.64 and write the units also. Okay, so 8.64 square centimeter, 8.64, either write square centimeter or centimeter square, both are correct. Is this clear? Okay, let's go to the third problem. What is the value of a rectangular plot of land 75.5 meters long and 30.5 meters broad at the rate of 1000 rupees per square meter? Now let us take down this problem first. Now look at this problem, problem number 3. A rectangular plot is given and we have to find what is the value of this plot. So what is the value? It is always area into rate. Okay, because rate is given as 1000 rupees per square meter. So this is area in meters squares. What is the length? 75.5, breadth is 30.5. Let us first find out area of rectangle as length into breadth. So you have 75.5 into 30.5. You can see the calculations here. Area of rectangle comes out to be 2302.75 meters square. Now for 1 meter square, the rate is 1000 rupees. So for these many meters square, rate will be these many meters squares into 1000. Okay? Or you should remember value is area into rate. So you have 2302.75 into 1000. Now point is over here. It will be shifted towards right hand side by 3 zeros. So it was earlier here 1, 2 and 3. So one more zero we have to put. So this becomes the value. Is it clear? So you can have this as 23,02,750. Okay. This is the value of a plot, rectangular plot. Is this clear? Please do the calculations on your own. So that's all for today from my side, students. Thank you.